What you got, everybody? It's your boy Troy in the house, everybody. As you know, I'm in New Zealand. It's been a great holiday. 2 months already. I can't get enough of this place. It's a beautiful place, beautiful country. I'm in Auckland. So, cut to the chase. What they told me is that I should try this. This is something called, I'm not sure if I'm going to pronounce this right, but it's Feijoa. Feijoa. Now, I've drank stuff that contains Fiola, whatever. But they say I must actually eat it. So, what they explained to me is that you must cut it in half. So, I'm not going to waste any time here. Cut it in half. Oh, shit. It looks like this on the inside. Fiola. I don't know. And then was actually eaten with a spoon. So this is like some kind of dessert, probably. And I'm just gonna tell you that this is how it looks. You see? Y'all see? Oh fuck. Looks like this. Looks like snot. So yeah. This is nice. But this is one of those kind of things that you like, you shouldn't have like more than 2 or 3 of this. Like it's nice, like a cider, like some ciders are nice beer, but if you drink too many of it, then it's not nice. It's actually very nice. I actually like it. Against my better judgment, though. I totally fuck with this. This is nice. So, yeah. I don't know. I've never seen this. We don't have this in South Africa. I think I'm gonna plant me a fucking Feijoa tree in my fucking garden in South Africa. Dudes are just thinking about planting weed. They just want to plant weed in South Africa. Plant fucking fruit, man. This is a fruit. I forgot to mention. This is a fruit. Nah, this is nice. I'll totally fuck with this. So yeah, guys, that's my thing about this Fiola. I apologize if I pronounce this wrong. I apologize, but this is good shit. I fuck with this.